best businesses who work in the areas of four-wheel drive vehicles, four-wheel drive accessories, caravans, campers, motorhomes, converted vans and utilities for the purposes of recreational activities. The recreational vehicle sector has grown exponentially over the years with many exciting innovations that are helping customers do things that were not previously possible. I would like to invite Mark Weller from RACWA to join me on stage to announce the winner and to present the trophy. RACWA's purpose is to make life better in WA by offering their 1 million members great products and services and investing in initiatives that help make life better for everyone in Western Australia. RACWA have been around for over 110 years and the NTAWA is proud to be working alongside RACWA as a business partner. Ladies and gentlemen, the finalists are Camper Trailers WA, Caravan King, RV Solutions WA, the Caravan Doctor, and Mark, the winner please.
Thanks Ollie, congratulations to all the finalists, and the winner is Caravan King.
From Caravan King up on stage to accept their award. Back in November 2015, Caravan King had a vision to create Mandurah's leading mobile caravan repair business, and it started out with just a car and a trailer from home or from customers' driveways. 1 year later, Caravan King releasing a workshop with attached caravan sales yard, and it has since expanded their business into caravan sales, insurance repairs, and most recently it has opened their retail caravan parts and accessories shop. Within 3 years, they have built a solid reputation as a friendly, reliable, professional and trustworthy local repairer and sales guy. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations Caravan King.
One-man mobile repair idea into a really thriving success. We'd like to congratulate all of tonight's winners and finalists, in particular our friends at Mandurah and RV Solutions. I'd also like to thank the NTA for this awesome new category and for providing a platform where the caravan and RV industry can be recognised. Special mention to Ron and Tony for their support since we started. Finally, Corey and I want to give the biggest shout out of all to our and our families. Without your dedication, commitment, willingness to embrace growth and change, your excitement, reliability, loyalty, initiative, hard work, and your passion for excellence, we wouldn't be Caravan King. This award is just a tiny insight to what's possible as we continue to take on the world together.